Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana. So in this video we have a question where we are given that x times 27 raised to power x is equal to 1, and here we need to solve it for x, right? Okay, so whenever we have this type of question that you are given x in power, right, x is in exponent, in these types of cases always try to make something simpler. Like what can we do here? If I divide both sides by x, okay, usually what do we do when we see that we have x in power? What do? We take log. So instead of taking log, what we can do, we can take x on one side and constant terms on another side, right? So if I divide by x, I will get 27 raised to power x. These will cancel out, is equal to 1 by x, right? So then now we have 27 raised to power x here. Now I want to remove x from this side as well. So what will I do? I will take power 1 by x on both sides. Okay. So here on the left hand side we have 27. Since we know that a raised to power b raised to power c is equal to a raised to power b times c, right? So this means here we will multiply x and 1 by x. It will become x times 1 by x. We will cancel them out, right? And on the right hand side we have this thing only, 1 by x raised to power 1 by x, right? So it is equal to 27 1 by x raised to power 1 by x, right? So now if you see the pattern on right hand side, it is something raised to power something, like this thing raised to power this thing, both are same. So on left hand side as well, if I get something raised to power something, the same things here and here in exponents and powers, right? If I get it here, what will I do? I will just compare these, okay? And I know that 27 is what? It is 3 raised to power 3, right? And on the left hand side, right hand side, we have 1 by x raised to power 1 by x. Now if you see these things, you can easily compare that 1 by x is equal to 3, and this means x is equal to 1 by 3, which is our answer, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and you can visit my channel for more such videos. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.